What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a good day today. I'm super excited to go over this video to announce another new service that we're going to be offering for our clients over here. Let's go ahead and dive into it, and super excited to go over it. Got a beautiful bright yellow Chevy Corvette next to me, and to the left of me I got a beautiful Ford Mustang. Shout out to our clients for allowing us to work on their builds with launching this new service to you guys. Can you guys guess what it is? If you guys have not yet, we are going to be offering a full-on Calipers paint for you guys. That is correct. We're going to be offering all sort of colors, base touches to any color that you wish to have your calipers painted. On top of that, we're gonna add a little decals service to it where you guys can add your car logo or your brake brand or whatever that you wish to do in decal wise. We can also provide that for you guys. Let's go ahead and go over the Corvette and see exactly what we've done to show you guys the details that we added to the calipers. If you guys want to down here, we added, these calipers actually used to be gloss black. We gave our client a bright gloss red. And right over here, the decal says Corvette. So it gave him that red color that he wanted to give it that sporty luxury look. And at the same time, it's rocking the brand that he also owns, which is the Chevy Corvette. Chevy Corvette, full-on red calipers. Let's dive down to the details on this beautiful Ford Mustang. It's got some awesome wheels, and this color right here, it's rocking a nice sea breeze blue in a way. This color is some sort of a hint for you guys, future plans that this build is scheduled to be dropped off next year, early February. We can't wait to show you guys what's next, but again, we went and go ahead and touched it up with the nice light blue caliper paint to give our client that contrast look that she wanted. Again, thank you so much for giving us the opportunity. It looks super good with the satin black wheels, which is she's rocking the Nietzsche, down with the bottom on the Sea Breeze light caliper paint. There you guys have it. Caliper service with Auto Addict USA is officially on. I can't wait, and I'm super excited to be giving this service to our clients. It's something that's gonna add to our styling line to make sure we give you guys as much styling services as we can. Thank you guys so much for all your support. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are happy with that new service that we're launching with our company. Hit that bell button so every time we post, you guys are fully alerted. I can't wait to show you guys some more work that we got for you guys. So much content is coming up very, very soon, and I can't wait to show you guys all that good stuff. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.